the before picture of the sheep prior to their shearing. They think I'm going to feed them, I guess, or let them out to pasture. But we have our friend Todd's sheep here too, so that's more sheep than just ours. There's a whole bunch of them. We have like 40 sheep here, counting up. All the lambs are wondering where the mamas are. The lambs don't get sheared, just the mamas. We'll send your mamas back soon, and you won't recognize them. They'll be all shaven and shorn. There's Starlight and Lady. They're going to be the first ones to be sheared. And here in the chute up from the barn, there's Elvira in the chute. Getting sheared. And then we have Ozzy and Oscar. Hi, Oscar. Here's the after picture of Starlight. She looks so scrawny, and the lambs don't really recognize her. They're sniffing her, but they'll figure it out. Here's the after picture. Hi, everybody. They're all shaven and shorn. There's Oscar and Jill. There's Elvira and Ella.